had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound this how this shit goes? It's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Who said it's gonna even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that. I'm sorry I said that. Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit with my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. And what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? What is love? Girl, we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love.
It's different when I'm sitting there alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different.